Hi everyone, my name is Adriane Hershey and I'm going to be the FIG assistant for Humans and Origin Story. I'm from Boise, Idaho, and this is going to be my second year as a FIG assistant, and in the fall I'm going to be a junior at the University of Oregon. I'm a journalism major with a focus in advertising, and I have an anthropology minor. Apart from being a FIG assistant, I also work in the FIG program as a student coordinator in their office. When I was a first-year student, I was also in the FIG. It was called Human Hierarchies, and it involved sociology and women's studies. I would say being in a FIG was definitely one of the more instrumental parts of my first term here on campus, because it was a great way to have a smaller, tight-knit community within such a large campus like University of Oregon. I met one of my best friends through my FIG, who I currently live with today, so it was a great way to meet students in a smaller environment. And it also was really helpful for tackling those large lecture classes that I hadn't been used to coming out of high school. Besides being in a FIG, being a part of the FIG program in general has probably been the most integral part of my college experience thus far. I really believe that this program is so beneficial to first-year students because I went through that experience, so I know how much it helped me during my first term here at University of Oregon. And that's why I love being a FIG assistant, is to be able to have that experience for other students and to be able to see them find their way on this campus in a time of their lives that's really interesting and dynamic, and I love being able to be a mentor role throughout that process. This year, Humans and Origin Story is actually a brand new FIG, which I'm really excited about. I'm very excited to be able to dive into my anthropology interests in a FIG setting. The theme we're going to be working on throughout fall term is what makes us human, so we're going to be looking at humanity through both a sociological lens and a biological lens and seeing kind of where those two things intersect. Professor Ulibarri and I have already done a lot of planning for the FIG. We're both very excited for the upcoming year. One of the really exciting opportunities we're going to have is we're going to go to the Primate Research Center in Portland with another FIG that focuses on primates. It's going to be a really fun field trip during the weekend. We're going to be able to bond with the other FIG. Our FIG will really bond a lot, and then we're going to learn a lot about primates, which will be really exciting because that's going to be a topic that's really heavily covered in the anthropology class. Along with that, I want to have a pizza night when we do study sessions for midterms or finals. I'd like to have a documentary viewing party, and Professor Ulibarri has a lot of fun activities planned that will help us dive further into the idea of what does make us human. We'll probably also go to the Saturday market here in Eugene together and have dinner together, really try to help you experience the Eugene community as a whole. I'm really excited about this upcoming year. I think this FIG is going to be great. I'm really looking forward to the opportunity to kind of build it from the ground up with Professor Ulibarri. I think it's going to be a great year, and I'm so excited to meet all of you. If you have any questions about anything like the summer assignment or anything about our FIG or anything about me or college life in general, feel free to shoot me an email. My email will be listed on this page, and I would love to hear from you.